Hey guys, how's it going? Well, this is going to be cold start of the Craftsman ys4500 since we fixed it. If you look at the video in the description there, you'll see that we fixed the starting problem. And this is basically the first cold start that I had since I fixed it. It's been probably about a week, just about. And we've been having nights in the 30s, so she's cold. I haven't touched this, like I said. I just took the cover off and just sat down, turned the camera on. So I don't know how the battery is. We just put a new one in it, but it seems to be pretty shitty. Yeah, it's pretty shitty, but we'll try. Oh, there you have it. A 1 week cold start. Normally it wouldn't have started up that fast, so it's pretty good. So yeah, I think we fixed her. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.